So my major challenge before joining Express was speaking in English, just express words in English. I couldn't speak even one sentence in English. Hi, I'm Shlomi, working at Medatech, project manager and team leader. I started in the Express 6 months ago, so today is my last day, and I presented a presentation. It was really great. I was so shy about it, and to speak it was a major problem for me. I felt dumb when I spoke in English. Actually, I was tried some other plans. I tried some online, and on my own I tried to learn English, and nothing works for me. And I looked for a program that will give me a frame and people to talk with and people that will understand me, and I find it all in Express. You can benefit from Express. It doesn't matter what's your level in English, because you can have as many goals as you want. So you just need to speak with your coach and tell him, okay, I want to present, I want to speak better in English, I want to take my accent and to make it better. I want to learn new stuff, and he will go with you and he will help you to get your goals. So it's really nice, and I really like it as well.